This is tutorial number 64, and it covers how to use the draft angle feature within CATIA v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 64, which is located on the DVD. Now, the draft angle feature can be found in the toolbar over here, or if you go to click Insert, Dress Up Features, and you can find the draft. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draft out some of these faces here on these two objects. So to start off, we're going to draft out this side here of the rectangle, and we're going to pull it out this way. So we're going to do just one draft right now on it. So let's click draft, and let's click the face. What you have to do is click the face and a neutral element for your draft. So we're going to click this face here, as this is the one that we want to draft out. And then for the neutral element, you have to choose one that's kind of like on top or below it. So we can either choose the bottom face here or the top face here, and that's where the draft will originate from and go out. So let's click this face here, and you can see that it's drafting out 5 degrees. Now if you flip the direction by clicking this arrow, it's going to draft in and it's going to cut into the part. So you're able to either cut into the part or add to the part. In this case, we're going to add to the part. So it's going to come out at 5 degrees. Click OK, and we've drafted it out. Now if you double click on it, you're able to go back in and change the angle. So say change it to 10, click OK, and we've changed it to 10. Now let's delete this draft, and we're going to do multiple drafts now all around it. So we're going to do a 5-degree draft on each side going around this rectangle. So let's click draft, we'll make it 5 degrees, and for the faces, we're going to click all these faces all around it. And now we have our 4 elements. And now we're going to select the neutral element. So click this and click the neutral element on top. And we're going to create 5-degree draft all the way around. Click OK. And you can see that we drafted it all the way around. Now let's double click on it, and let's change the draft so that it's cutting in. So all we did was flip this arrow, click OK, and now we've cut in with a 5-degree draft all the way around. And let's delete this draft now. Now you're also able to do it to circles and curved surfaces, so let's click draft, and let's do it around this face here. So let's click this face, and we'll click this face here, and with the pull direction you're able to play around with it there. Click OK, and now we've drafted out 5 degrees all around. Now if you double click, again you're also able to change it. So let's make this 20, click OK, and you can see how it's flared out 20 degrees. So with the draft feature, you're able to choose faces you want to draft, and then you have to choose a neutral plane or neutral face that the draft is going to come off of. And then from there, you're able to play around with the angle of how far you're going to be drafting out your object. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the draft angle feature within CATIA v5.